Hel- Hello guys, I'm now going to show you what I got a couple days ago. I might give you a sneak peek. It's a pocket knife. I got it on one of my friends' birthday. It has a lot here, toothpick, tweezers. Sorry, I'm trying to get the knife piece out. Oh crap! There's the knife. Yeah. I have another one I want guys to show you. It is the saw my dad told me. That was the click of fucking knife. Uh no. Sorry, I'm distracted. You have a screwdriver, a cork opener, uh whatever that thing is on the side, this thing right there. Yeah, you got a lot of cool stuff. And well, I am out of school for about a couple months, so I'm actually happy about that. Peace.